Out getting firewood in my 1948 Willys truck. Just finally got the front drive shaft hooked up. Does pretty darn good. This hill it was spun a little bit on going uphill in two-wheel drive, so I'll throw it in four-wheel drive. Pretty much all old school technology. It does have a little diesel motor in it, but it's the motor's from a Nissan pickup, and it's 1960s technology, so it's real basic. There's really not much that can go wrong on it. You see she's a little beat up. I think the only straight body panel I was on there when I got it was the hood, and I since have dinged that up pretty good because it came open on the highway about 55 miles an hour.